thought the two-stroke era was dead, think again. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 is here to prove that simplicity, lightweight performance, and pure riding joy never go out of style. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down everything you need to know about this legendary machine. Design. Yamaha has kept what works while adding modern refinement. The 2026 YZ125 maintains that iconic aggressive stance with sharp bodywork and a slimmed-down profile. The blue and white color scheme stays true to Yamaha's racing heritage, while updated graphics give it a contemporary edge. The lightweight chassis remains one of the bike's biggest advantages, making it incredibly nimble and responsive on the track. Performance. Let's talk about what really matters, the engine. That 124cc liquid-cooled two-stroke power plant delivers explosive power with that unmistakable bark. The power band hits hard and rewards skilled throttle control. Yamaha's engineers have refined the YPVS system for even smoother power delivery across the RPM range. The suspension package features fully adjustable components that handle everything from amateur tracks to professional circuits with confidence. Features and technology. While the YZ125 embraces simplicity, it doesn't skip on quality. The hydraulic clutch provides excellent feel and reduces hand fatigue. Dunlop Geomax tires come standard, offering exceptional grip. The aluminum frame keeps weight down while maintaining strength. Modern riders will appreciate the electric start option, making those race day restarts stress-free. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ125 proves that two-stroke magic is alive and well. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or an experienced rider chasing lap times, this bike delivers pure, unfiltered fun. What's your take on the YZ125? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, share it with your riding buddies, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth motorcycle coverage. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.